I'm Dr. Ashish Chauhan, consultant preventive medicine at Apollo. October month is all about pinkness everywhere. The pink month is what we call it, the Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And I thank the CIMSME, Telangana Tourism and Celebration Makers to have done this Wellness Expo, because this expo is about spreading the message about breast cancer awareness. For every one of you who is hearing me out, I would want you to do this small thing of talking about breast cancer, the biggest killer of your and my women around us. Remember this acronym BREAST. B is for breast lump. If there is any one of you, your family member has a breast lump, discuss it with your doctor and talk about it, and do bring to the notice of everyone else. Why it is important? You know what is the statistic difference between US and India? In US they pick up 80% of cases in the early stage, and in India we pick up 80% of cases in the late stage. Early detection is important, especially if you have had a radiation exposure. So that is what R is all about. If in your family there is some history of breast cancer, then you need to be working about finding it out if you have a breast cancer within you or in your family. E is for exercise. Staying fit will make sure that you stay away from cancer. This 10th October, join us in the cancer run organized by Grace Cancer Foundation, wherever you are, because running helps out in you reducing weight and stay away from cancer. A is for any lump or any discharge if you have it in your breast. Immediately report to a doctor and work upon it, because any discharge from the breast can be a sign of a cancer. S is about the self-examination. If you are a woman or you have a daughter, you need to talk about self-breast examination. And if there is a doubt about it, watch out YouTubes and learn it. And definitely the best way to learn is from your own doctor. T is from the toxins. Smoking and alcohol do help in promoting breast cancer, and spread this message of BREAST. And whenever you have any kind of doubt, reach out to me, reach out to your doctor, reach out to anyone who cares for you, because we care for you. I am Dr. Ashish Chauhan, available at 810-612-7475 for any online consultation. But more important is prevention. Be preventive and proactive so that you don't have to be repentive and reactive. Remember, your smile will bring smile on everyone around you. You and me can take care of women of our family, because women are the ones who will take care of health and wealth of your family. May God bless you. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay smiling always. A big thanks to Highbase for bringing out this kind of awareness talks, and don't forget to subscribe to the bell icon down this video. Take care, God bless. Namaskar.